We are going to make a kaleidoscope, DIY kaleidoscope. So these are the things that are given to you, right? So first, we will insert this eyepiece at one end of the tube. Next, place this translucent, there are two pieces of plastic here. Place the translucent plastic here, right? Then I'll pour all these shiny bits on it. Right? Then there's another transparent this around this plastic disc. Place it on top. Then we secure it at the other end of this tube. Oh, sorry, before that, you are provided with this mirror, plastic mirror. Insert it here. Then put all these bits, cover it up by the transparent plastic disc, and then secure it. Not too tight. This one is to decorate the exterior, so we will not do it now. So look through the eyepiece now. Right, you can see multiple images of what is inside. You can also turn this, rotate it to change the image. And that is your DIY kaleidoscope.